Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Amazon Associates profile settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your Amazon Associates profile settings, first, log in to your Amazon Associates account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Click on Account Settings from the drop-down menu. You will see several options related to your account. Select your profile for the Profile Settings section. Here, you can update your display name. To change your display name, click on the Edit button next to your current name. Enter your new display name and save the changes. Next, you can update your website information. Scroll down to the Websites section on the same page. Click on the Edit button next to your website URL. Make any necessary changes to your website details. After updating, be sure to click Save. You can also update your payment information. Return to the Account Settings menu. Look for the Payment Information option. Click on it to view your current payment method. Follow the prompts to make any necessary updates. Once all changes are made, review everything for accuracy. Finally, log out of your account to ensure your profile is secure. Your Amazon Associates profile settings are now successfully updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.